All right, guys, we got a backflip competition here. Y'all want me to go first?
Go for it.
All right. It's broke.
Look at the back end.
It's broke. I told you it's gonna break, but I'll hit it.
Oh, yeah? Oh, I see. Oh, yeah? Oh, okay. She a little banged up.
Everybody gets 2 shots at it too.
Well, that one's done.
Hey, Brett, just go ahead and send it again. I'm just kidding.
All right, everybody says 5.
I feel like y'all jipping me. No. I'm joking. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
I thought I saw 14 and a half.
All right, Byron.
The council says 4. Nice.
John's up next.
Here comes Max, V1.
I counted 0. I counted 5.
I think it's about 5.
And that was a nice headshot, too.
Yeah. You knocked her out.
Took it, too.
Austin, what was the what happened to her? Because I couldn't see her.
Your shock's for sure broken.
Yeah.
And then rear bulkhead is coming off of the chassis.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, so-
Yeah. Typical Arma stuff. Gotcha.
It's an art to hitting that back foot.
Yeah.
That's a -1.
-1 off. Whoa! Yeah, yeah.
He can go again.
The Traxxas Max.
I got an axle out there somewhere.
Yeah.
Don't let Gravedigger out there.
John, was that a bad landing on mine? I felt like I landed it good, and then it just blew it apart.
I think you just landed it. It came down hard on the ass, and of course.
Yeah.
So what? That was a good landing.
Yeah, just Arma shocked it up. Who's going next? Austin then, if no one else did.
Good job, man. I remember my first RC. That was Please do it, people. Okay, that was 2.5.
Not bad.
We're only 5 feet off the ground. It's not bad.
Not bad at all. Hey, man. You're cheating. You're cheating, dude. You're trying to break him.
What happened?
Hey, y'all cheating. Let's see.
Wow.
The battery cut out.
Battery cut out.
It's still plugged in?
Yeah, it looks like. Hey, Brett, you still have one more.
But dude, the battery's plugged in. It's not turning on. So, I don't know. I don't know.
Unplug the battery and plug it back in.
I already did.
There you go. Boom.
I already did that.
You had to unplug it, right?
I did that. You know, thank you for your customer service. Did you try unplugging, replugging? What? I told you I was bringing a sleeper.
I think somebody turned the whole Earth's gravitation.
100. Oh, you broke a hub or something.
It'll buff. Uh-oh. What'd we break? Okay, axle just... Oh, yep. The Traxxas aluminum. Yep. Trash. Traxxas aluminum, bro. Snap that right in half, dude. What was that?
That was a stick in the landing.
Oh, okay. I thought we didn't care about sticking the landing, John.
Oh, well, I do.
One. 2. Oh, he could have had it. 2. I think they gave up, guys. I think they're not trying to compete with Bigfoot. Here comes Gravedigger. Yeah! Hey, you broke it too! You broke it too! Oh! Oh! That's bulkhead, bud. Dude, that's the bulkhead.
Oh.
Yeah, look at her.
No. No. Is that okay with something else?
But literally anything else, please. We got a rogue sledge. Here come John and the Max. So, did they give up after they saw Bigfoot? It looks like they gave up.
Yeah, they did.
Is that what they were saying over
Pretty
there?
much. They're like, yeah,
I couldn't believe Bigfoot did that.
Bigfoot did like 8 of them.
Man, I was talking trash too, or to you.
I know. Hey, let me tell you something, Brett.
Yeah.
If you win that gift card, you gotta buy me a transmission. I stuck in it for you.
Fair, fair.
Hey, Brett, can I see your transmission real quick?
No.
Backflip.
Is Big Mike's open? Go get a transmission. Oh, I'm a little messed up, man. I'm a little messed up.
That Kraton didn't do too bad off of there.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I was doing pretty good.
There's 4 right there.
4. I think Bigfoot got her beat, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kraton did pretty good. I just knew she was going to break as soon as she hit the ground. It always does it. I'm tired of buying parts for it.
Oh.
So we broke
Oh.
this shock here,
Oh.
and Byron's screaming at something. What'd I break? Oh, the bulkhead.
The whole diff is exposed.
Oh, Armadiff. Yeah, I figured. She's had better days. So what? I cracked the diff housing?
You shattered the diff housing.
Some
Brett.
Chinese kid was not on Adderall when they built this. That's terrible.
So in reality, this is why we say Arma sucks.
Yeah,
Because this is pathetic, to be honest with you.
it is. I can't believe this, guys. But I'm thinking Bigfoot might have won. He's counting them right now.
Oh, they're counting them right now?
Yeah.
I think Bigfoot won, to be honest.
I'm not gonna call it. I can't do it. Y'all gonna have to decide.
Hey.
I counted what I could, and I think there was one that went off that had 8.
Yeah, Lynn's checking it right now.
Like that one right there was the one that went off the most. That thing just went. This one did good too until it landed.
Until it died.
Yeah, you lost your drive shaft.
Oh,
I think
did
that
I?
might have. I think that might have been your drive shaft that they found.
Oh, did they actually?
They found a drive shaft out there.
Oh, let me go grab my drive shaft then. Let me put up my Kraton parts real quick.
And the envelope you can go with it.
Well, thank y'all so much.
Thank y'all.
I had the worst crash today, so they felt bad and gave me $50. But I really appreciate you guys for having us out here today.
Yes.
And winning
Thank y'all
the,
so much, everybody.
Thank y'all. Winning the Backflip competition. We will be back. Don't worry. Let us know what your next competition is. We will show up.
There will be redemption.
For sure. Everybody's going to have Bigfoots when we come back. I'm super excited. Appreciate it, sir.
Thank y'all.
Appreciate it.
Thank y'all.